In this video, you'll learn how to take a screenshot on your Pixel 5a and discover some useful tips to manage your screenshots effectively. By the end of this guide, you will be able to capture and handle screenshots with ease. To begin, you will use a simple button combination. Press the power button and the volume down button simultaneously on your Pixel 5a. Ensure that you press both buttons together for the best results. Hold them briefly until you see a flash on the screen or hear a shutter sound. This visual or audio cue indicates that the screenshot has been captured successfully. Once you've taken the screenshot, a preview will appear at the bottom of your screen. This preview allows you to take immediate action on your screenshot. Tap on the preview to access options for editing, sharing, or deleting the image. You can crop or annotate the screenshot as needed, which is particularly useful for highlighting important information or making adjustments before sharing. After handling the preview, you may want to find the saved screenshots later. To do this, open the Photos or Gallery app on your device. Look for a dedicated screenshots folder, which is where your images are typically stored. This organization helps you locate your screenshots easily when you need to refer back to them or share them with others. Browsing through the screenshots folder, you will see all your captured images. This dedicated space makes it convenient to manage your screenshots without mixing them with other photos. If you have many screenshots, consider periodically reviewing and deleting any that you no longer need to save storage space on your device. That wraps up today's guide on taking screenshots with the Pixel 5a. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.